Some of us are always looking for that extra crispy bite. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious tofu in air fryer with some crispy texture, and I'm also going to show you how easily you can make this teriyaki glaze, a perfect combination, just perfect to entertain your guests, your family, and to make it a fun night, a game night, you name it, you call it, you create it. It's going to be crispy, fun, filled with flavors. So keep watching and let's get started. Welcome to Shine with Shobs. This channel is all about making you shine with my healthy diet and building your emotional strength. So make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates from me. For this I'm using Firm Tofu, which I got from Costco. Make sure the label says firm. Just cut it from one end, drain the water completely and rinse it before using. Now I'm going to show you how to press tofu easily. On a plate, place a paper towel, then place the tofu. Place another paper towel on top of the tofu and keep any heavy bottom pan. Leave it for 30 minutes or 1 hour. I just left for 30 minutes. After half an hour, you will see how the paper towel soaks up all the water from tofu. Now cut it in cubes. For this, just cut it vertically and horizontally. You will get the cube shape and you can cut it however you wish. I like it in little big chunks. These look perfect and I prefer to cut it into big cubes. Now let's spice it up. In a mixing bowl, add 2 tablespoons gram flour or besan. Add 2 teaspoons garam masala. Use any kind for flavor. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. This is going to give that extra kick. 1 teaspoon pink Himalayan rock salt and 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. This is going to give that color. Now give it a good mix. This smells fantastic. Now add in the tofu. Those who have seen my crispy chili tofu tikka knows that the ingredients are almost same here. If you missed it, I'll drop the link in the description below. Do check it out. This is more like Asian style, so make sure to mix it gently. Now add 1 teaspoon olive oil. This will give that extra crispness to our tofu. If you struggle mixing it with a spoon, just use your hand to coat each piece well. Time to air fry. Preheat the air fryer for 3 minutes. Now place each tofu one by one inside the basket, making sure they are not crowded or make sure they are not on top of each other. Set the temperature to 380 Fahrenheit. Set the time for 6 minutes. This temperature works well. I use Gourmet air fryer. After 6 minutes, open the basket. It looks great, but I'm going to keep it for 2 more minutes for extra crispy texture. Each air fryer varies, so set the time according to your preference. If you're new to air fry, you can try out simple snacks like this. Wow, these are perfectly done, nice and crispy. Now let's make the teriyaki glaze. Heat a heavy bottom pan. Drizzle in the soya sauce. I'm using 1/4 cup soya sauce. To this I'm also adding 2 tablespoons teriyaki sauce, which is optional. I just had it and I just wanted to give in that extra flavor. And I'm adding a little bit of chili garlic sauce and 1 tablespoon tomato paste. Mix everything and simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add 1 teaspoon jaggery. Mix and let it simmer until the liquid thickens a little bit. This is how you get the glaze. Now plate the air fried tofu. Look how beautiful these turned out, crispy, colorful and delicious. You can serve it just right away like that, or add in the teriyaki glaze on the tofu and top it up with some sesame seeds. This teriyaki glaze gives that extra kick, extra flavor, and the sesame seed will give that extra crunch to your tofu bite. This is so delicious, beautifully cuts through, crispy outside and soft inside. This turned out absolutely delicious. You saw how easily this can be made in the air fryer, and you can get that crispy texture, and the teriyaki glaze on the tofu was just absolutely amazing. You should definitely give it a try. And if you're looking for more tofu recipes, do check out my crispy chili tofu and tofu kurma. It's a curry based out of coconut gravy. Your kids are going to love it and you will love it. Do check that out. And I also made tofu burger, which is absolutely amazing with plenty of veggies. Your kids are not even going to find out. So all these amazing recipes you're going to find in my channel Shine with Shobs. So do check that out. I'm also going to drop the link in the description below. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up and share this with your friends. It can reach many more people who are looking for such fun, healthy recipes. And stay tuned for another exciting recipe, and don't forget to shine with Shobs.